Now for this, what I do is I boil some water and put a steamer on top. Now you can boil this, but I prefer to steam it. So what you want to get is about 500 grams, or about half a pound of pumpkin. So peel the pumpkin and cut it up into pieces. Put it in the steamer. Put the lid on and steam for about 20 minutes. So basically just get some sort of bowl that you want to mash this in and just give this a bit of a mush. Just mash it with a fork. Now add 1 cut up red chilli. Now de-seed it unless you want this to be really spicy, then don't. 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves, dried. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Then add about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. Now you can get some cloves, 2 cloves of garlic, and crush it, or you can just get garlic that's already crushed and minced a bit. Now get a lemon, a fresh lemon, and squeeze the juice, and then put the juice straight in there. Now you just want to season with just about a pinch of salt, and put in about half a dozen to a dozen grinds of black pepper. Now stir all this in. Oh, yum. Well, that's done. Just put some coriander leaves on the top and we are ready to eat. Simple cooking.